be so sure about that.
Also available from Barney Home Video.
Barney wants all of his friends to play safely, and now he shows you how on his safety video.
Oh, here it is. Oh, I haven't seen this book in a long time. It's one of my favorites. It's our safety book, and it has lots of important safety rules I want you to know.
Let's see from Barney Safety.
Across the street, oh, when I walk across the street, I always cross at the corner. When I walk across the street.
Ooh.
Through song and dance and a little help from BJ and Baby Bop, Barney and his friends learn all about different ways of being safe at home and at play.
I always stop, look and listen when I walk across the street. Hurry, hurry, drive the fire truck. Hurry, hurry, drive the fire truck. Hurry, hurry, drive the fire truck. Ding, 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 ding.
Oh, faster, faster!
And when firefighter Frank and his dog Chief come to visit, everyone learns important rules about fire safety.
Oh, come on, everybody!
We'll have lots of fun, too, when we learn all about being safe on Barney's safety video.
No veo un primer show.
Kids, oh!
You know how much fun it is to see your favorite dinosaur. Now imagine how much fun it is to see your favorite dinosaur in his very own stage show.
Is everyone ready to have a stew and this time?
Get ready for Barney's big surprise, the live video recording of his first ever national stage show tour. Join Barney, Baby Bop, and a host of old and new friends as they come together to celebrate a... Oops, it's a surprise.
Ooh, I want to tell.
There's music, laughter, and fun galore as Barney brings all his very special friends into your very own home. You'll see Mother Goose, Professor Tinkerput, and many, many more. So get ready to clap your hands because this is one super-de-duper surprise you'll never forget.
With a cake this big, I think I need everyone's help.
Don't miss Barney's big surprise, now available on home video from Lyrick Studios. Get ready for an out-of-this-world adventure with your favorite purple friend.
Hold on, everybody. I think things are about to get really silly.
That's right. It's everyone's favorite dino starring in his very first cosmic adventure, Barney in Outer Space. When Barney and his friends discover a new friend on another planet, they zoom off to meet her, learning about the wonders of the universe all along the way.
We're in outer space, all right.
Come along as these space cadets explore new worlds and make new friends, including a real live astronaut.
Our spaceship has a guest.
With plenty of great songs and lots of imagination, it's an adventure you won't soon forget. So grab your spacesuits, because this super-de-duper spaceship is about to blast off. Don't miss Barney in Outer Space, now available on home video from Lyrick Studios.
Also available from Barney Home Video.
One family's people and a family's love. That's our family. They come in all different sizes and different colors. But mine's just right.
Tasha shares exciting news of a new birth in her family with Barney and his friends. But there's even more to her story.
The scenes from Barney's Home Special.
The world is better just because you're here. You should know that we love you. Oh, you are special.
After a visit from Barney's good friend Ella Jenkins, Baby Bop and BJ join in the fun before Tasha's big surprise is finally revealed.
Oh, you are special.
Join us as we celebrate the family and discover how everyone is special. In Barney's, families are special.
Now, obvio.
Everyone
Only from Lyrick
in his or her own way.